requirement where we want to reach in future.
Right.
That was the second aspect which we have discussed yesterday.
Super.
Third, it was clarity. We should have the clarity in the goals, that where we want to go, and to be very precise what we want to achieve. Because when we know what we want to achieve, then only we would pursue the how to achieve that.
Exactly.
So we should have clarity in our goals, and then we need to analyze that what kind of resources we have to achieve that goal.
Super.
Because resources are always limited. It's a theory of economics that our wants are unlimited and resources are limited.
Yeah.
So we have to prioritize the resources whatever we have, because there was one very nice thing which you discussed yesterday, that the brain is incapable of differentiating between present, past, and future. It's always not necessary that in future only we do something. We can also recollect the sweet memories which we have spent in past, and the brain can have the same experience which we want to have.
Super.
After that, we discussed about the courage. Whatever we have decided, we should have courage to achieve that. We should have courage to say no. We should have courage to move to take the first step, to move in the road path which we have decided for ourselves.
Amazing.
That's it. Thank you.
Amazing. A big hand for all of the team one. Super. This was amazing. Thank you so much. Let's move to team 2. Ekin, Poonam, Pramila, Sunita. You were all part of that group. Please unmute and
we three of us.
Yes.
Discussed Poonam somehow.
Achha,
so like yeah. First compliment went to you. Everybody liked you so much. You are so organized, and you have conducted first half our program, first day session, so well in organized way and systematically. So
thank you.
Yeah, so we all of us like you very much. First and
my
foremost,
pleasure, and
compliment. Second thing is that
your learning attitude that is making the program so effective. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and we felt very relaxed. It was a very relaxing session for all of us, because you took us in our memory lane to a happy moment. So like we were asked to visualize the happy moment, and we could relax visualizing the happy moment. That was the first thing. Second thing is that we learned about the clarity. We went back to the happy moment. Then that made us feel that okay, we are clear about what we want to do.
Yeah.
With clarity, and this courage. When we have clarity, then we should have courage to move ahead with our goal.
Indeed.
Third thing is that third point is that 6 wheels of life which you discussed, that is very interesting, and that was very thought provoking for all of us, because many times we forget to distinguish about between all the aspects in our life, and we mix up, and that way we mess up with the things in our life. So really it was a very good thought provoking session yesterday, and you brought out all the 8 aspects of our life. That is really thought provoking, and in future we are going to be very clear about all those things. Thank you.
I love that, and you deserve a big hand. Thank you, team number 2. Thank you so much. Super. I'm so glad that all of you remember most of the training that I did yesterday, and I'm so excited because होता क्या है कि कई बार ऑनलाइन सेशंस में हम लोगों से मिल नहीं पाते, पर आपको इतना कुछ याद है, इतना कुछ अमेजिंग इफेक्टिव था, तो ये आपका लर्निंग एटीट्यूड शो करता है. ट्रेनर तो अपनी तरफ से बता रहा है, बट आपका जो लर्निंग एटीट्यूड है, that is what comes out in this session. So first C that we talked about yesterday was clarity. It was all about mujhe kya chahiye, what is it that I want to have in my life, मेरे क्या goals है और आगे हम कैसे बढ़ सकते हैं. The second discussion that we had was all about courage to speak up, courage to know what is my truth, courage to stand up for my own self. So we will talk about a little more. Yesterday I made you do an exercise, remember? जहाँ पे आपने identify किया था कि मेरे क्या goals हैं, उसको हम आगे लेके गए. हमारे 8 aspects को हमने study किया, उसको rate किया, and we wanted to take it ahead. I remember I also talked about, which nobody mentioned today, but remember I talked about the GROW model, which was all about what is it that is where is my, मेरा goal क्या है, मेरी रियलिटी क्या है, मेरे ऑप्शंस क्या हैं और वे फॉरवर्ड क्या है. ये मेरा एक ग्रो मॉडल है जो एक वेल रिसर्च्ड मॉडल है. इट्स समथिंग दैट यू कैन टेक बैक. क्रिएटिव विजुअलाइजेशन, ये टेक्निक्स इतनी पावरफुल, दीज आर लाइक गोल्ड माइन टेक्निक्स दैट यू कैन टेक बैक होम and remind yourself every time whenever you're feeling that I want to make my goals come true. So when we talk about all of this, know this, that women are born leaders. Remember I talked about a quote which was, sometimes leaders are born women. So women are actually born leaders. That's what we were talking about. We were not done with the complete session on courage, but we will talk more about that. And then there are other C's also that we're going to talk about today and discuss on our session. So the 6 C's that I want to bring to you today are clarity, courage, commitment, connections, communication, and confidence. If you are strong in all these areas, nobody can stop you from being a great leader. ये values women में already होते हैं, but sometimes because of our belief systems, sometimes what others tell us, we believe that we are not good enough, and sometimes हम उन सबको सोच के अपनी growth को रोक लेते हैं. I will talk about, मैं एक story सुनाना चाहती हूँ अभी आपको. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है, हो सकता है आपने कभी सुनी हो, बट आज उसको एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से आप समझ पाओगे. एक फिश थी, वो फिश अपने पानी में, अपनी रिवर में बहुत ही मजे से स्विम करा करती थी, बहुत ही खुश रहती थी. एक दिन वो रिवर की साइड पे गई एंड suddenly she heard a voice. Hey fish, how are you doing today? How is the water? फिश ने पानी से सर निकाला और देखा तो एक मंकी पेड़ पे बैठा था और उसको बोल रहा था, ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था. सो फिश ने उसको जवाब दिया, आई एम डूइंग वेल, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड वो अपना मजे से पानी में एंजॉय करती रही. मंकी ने बोला, अच्छा कम ओवर, आके मेरे साथ पेड़ पे बैठो, देखो यहाँ से कितना सुंदर दुनिया दिखाई पड़ रही है. तो फिश ने बोला, ओह मैं तो आ ही नहीं सकती, मैं तो पानी के बिना जी ही नहीं सकती और मुझे पेड़ पे तो चढ़ना ही नहीं आता. अब मंकी को इस बात को सुन के बड़ी हंसी आई. वो कहता है, ओह तुम तो बिल्कुल वर्थलेस हो, तुम्हें तो पेड़ पे चढ़ना नहीं आता, तुम क्या करोगी, तुम तो कुछ नहीं कर सकती लाइफ में, तुम इवन यहाँ का नजारा भी नहीं देख सकती. अब ये सुन के फिश बहुत दुखी हो गई, बहुत दुखी हो गई और उसको लगा मैं शायद वर्थलेस हूँ और मैं शायद कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती, मेरे में तो कुछ है ही नहीं. अब ये सब दूर से एक कछुआ देख रहा था. कछुआ उस फिश का दोस्त था. तो फिश उदास थी और स्लोली डिप्रेस हो गई. कछुआ उसके पास गया और उसने पूछा कि क्या हुआ, तुम उदास क्यों हो. सो फिश ने बोला, तुम्हें पता है मुझे एक मंकी मिला, उसने मुझे बोला और उसने मुझे सही में बताया कि मैं एक्चुअली वर्थलेस हूँ, तो कुछ है ही नहीं, मैं तो पेड़ पे भी नहीं चढ़ सकती. ये सुन के कछुआ जो है हंसने लगा और कहता है कि अगर तुम वर्थलेस हो तो वो मंकी भी तो वर्थलेस है, उसको तो पानी में जीना ही नहीं आता. नाउ ये सुन के फिश को रियलाइज हुआ और उसको इतना ग्रेटिट्यूड फील हुआ कि मेरे में एक ऐसा टैलेंट है जो कि और में नहीं है. मेरे में ऐसा टैलेंट है जिससे मैं पानी के अंदर सरवाइव कर सकती हूँ. ये मेरी यूनिकनेस है. और उसके बाद फिर फिश वापस से अपने बारे में खुश हो गई और अपनी लाइफ को अच्छे से जीने लगी. इस स्टोरी को सुन के, सॉरी अबाउट दिस, इस स्टोरी को सुन के आपको क्या समझ आता है? सुनीता,
This story tells us that different people have different type of talents. So we shouldn't feel discouraged if we don't know one thing, but we may be better in some other thing.
बहुत अच्छा है. लेकिन आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
We should not compare ourselves with others. We have to look within ourselves and identify the strength, our inner strength. And that will bring out the clarity in our life, and that will give us the courage to go ahead in life.
Super, super. Thank you, Poonam. Thank you, Ekin. जागृति, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
मैडम, मेरे लिए कोई भी चीज ऐसी इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है. बैंक का या कोई भी मेरा टास्क हो वो मैं पूरा करके रहती हूँ.
Yes.
वो मेरे लिए कोई भी काम इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है.
इंसान के अलग टैलेंट्स होते हैं.
करती हूँ 100%. वो पार लगा देती हूँ काम को.
You're सुपर वुमन. Thank you so much. सुनीता, आप बताइए.
थैंक यू.
सुनीता, आप बताइए.
हाँ मैडम, घबराना नहीं है, डरना नहीं है. We can do.
Yes. Awesome. Love that. Anjana?
Everybody is unique in his own way. Everybody has unique capability.
Yes. Very true. Very true. Deepshika?
Every soul is different.
Yes. Love that. Love that thought. Chaitali?
Everybody is different and everybody can do in its own way.
चेताली, थोड़ा सा लाउडली बोलिए, आपकी आवाज समझ नहीं आ रही.
Everybody is different and everybody can perform the work in his own way.
Super, super. I love that. So ये story derive करी गई थी एक आइंस्टाइन के thought से, that if you judge a fish by its capability to climb a tree, the fish will live all its life thinking it is worthless. तो आप में अगर कोई कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है और आप उसी पे फोकस करते हो, तो आप पूरी लाइफ यही सोचोगे कि मेरे में तो कोई टैलेंट ही नहीं है. बट अगर आप अपनी कैपेबिलिटी को लेके ग्रेटफुल होते हो, अपनी कैपेबिलिटी को आगे बढ़ाते हो, जो भी आपका टैलेंट है उसको आगे बढ़ाते हो, you will live a life which is beautiful. So stop comparing yourself with anybody. Stop listening to anybody who's telling you that you can't do it. You will decide what you can do and what you cannot do. You have the power to choose what you want to do.
We have to believe in our strengths.
Yes, believe in yourself, and courage is what helps you do that. So as I put up my next activity, आज जो हम activity करेंगे, it will help you build courage, but you have to be ready to give up on your past beliefs and move ahead. So are you ready? Do you commit to me that you are ready to build courage? You are ready to give up on your past and move ahead in life? I need a hand raise or a thumbs up, remote icon पे या वैसे, and you have to do that. Awesome. I love that. Thank you. Thank you so much for doing that. I will move ahead in my slides now. I'll bring up another activity, and that is, yes. What I want you to do is please get a pen and paper. एक pen and paper लेके आइए और इस activity को हमारे साथ करिए. अपनी top three fears, worries लिखिए. आज लिखिए उन तीन top worries को. आप 5 लिख सकते हैं और फिर उसको रेट कर सकते हैं कि अच्छा मैं टॉप 3 पिक करना चाहती हूँ। 5 टॉप वरीज को लिख रहे हो या 6 टॉप वरीज की, जितनी वरीज आ रही है लाइफ में समझ में आ रही है सब लिख दो, फिर उसको टॉप 3 को रेट करो। उस टॉप 3 को रेट करने के बाद आई वांट यू टू स्टार्ट रिफ्लेक्टिंग ऑन व्हाट इज योर वरी। आगे मैं बाद में दिखाऊंगी, पहले आप अपनी वरीज को लिखिए, फिर मैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप साथ में कराऊंगी। Write down all the top worries that are coming to your mind and give rating to them, and I want top 3 worries that you want to talk about. Write it down. Let's take 1 minute to do that. आप अपने पास लिखिए, जरूरी नहीं है कि मेरे से शेयर करनी है। If it is very personal, it's okay. It is not necessary कि आपको मेरे से शेयर करने की जरूरत है। Please note it in a pen and paper. If you're okay, you can share it in the chat box. Otherwise, this is a very, very personal exercise. So आप please एक pen and paper लेके जो भी वरी आ रही है आपकी लाइफ की, करियर की, लाइफ की, जॉब की, बिजनेस की, रिलेशनशिप की, जो भी वरी आ रही है आपको लाइफ में, वो सारे लिखिए और टॉप 3 को आइडेंटिफाई करिए। First do this activity. We'll take 3 minutes and then we'll move to the next activity. So till then, stay there, hang in there. I'm around. If you have questions, you can unmute and ask. Super, Pramila, you might not have any worries or any fears in your life. That's fine. But let me ask you, is there something that is stopping you from moving ahead? क्या आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप लाइफ में नहीं कर पाए हो? If yes, please make a note of that. अंजना, आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हो? You raise your hand for that also. Okay. Go ahead. Please make a note. आपकी जो भी worries हैं, please make a note of that. Worries हैं, fears हैं, कुछ भी ऐसे सोच है जो लग रहा है कि आप लाइफ में आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हो, जिस वजह से वो आपको स्टॉप कर रही है लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने से. Think of it and make a note.
Ready?
Done? Are you guys done? Do a thumbs up.
Yes.
You're done.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. So Radha Lakshmi says, concern if my career will affect the career and growth of the children. Make a note of it and we will look for an answer and a solution to all of that. And we will work on removing that fear. So once you're done, you've identified top 3. Now, what I want you to do is reflect. Reflect कि ये worries है या ये सच्चाई है. क्या ये सिर्फ डर है कि ये सच्चाई है? आप कह सकते हो कि ये सच्चाई है, इट्स फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम्स, बट रिफ्लेक्ट करो। जो टॉप 3 आपने आइडेंटिफाई करी हैं, प्लीज रिफ्लेक्ट। क्या ये वरी है या ये सच्चाई है? क्या ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि ऐसा ना हो? एग्जाम्पल लेती हूँ, सुनीता जी ने बोला कि आई वरी विद ग्रे हेयर, शी हैज फियर्स। श्योर, ये सच्चाई है कि वी ऑल विल एज, बट ये डर, क्या हम इस डर को रिमूव कर सकते हैं? क्या ये डर रियल लाइफ में हमारी लाइफ को इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है, या ये डर सिर्फ हमें और डरावना बना रहा है, हमारे को और
जय जय बेटा कहाँ जाना जय
पॉइंट?
तो बोला 6 लाख क्यों
Vijay Lakshmi mentioned, Swaraj Lakshmi, sorry, mentioned about concern कि मेरा अगर मैं अपने करियर को एडवांस करी हूँ तो मेरे बच्चों की ग्रोथ के करियर पे, my children's growth might get impacted. Is it a possibility that has happened, or
No,
is
it
it
is not a real. It is not a reality, but that has been my concern all through. Maybe
Yes.
now at the end of 25 years, I feel that yeah, I have sailed through it. But
Yes.
all through my 20 year of progression, I always felt that I should not affect their careers. That is what I.
Indeed, indeed. So ये एक possibility है कि आपके बच्चों की करियर ग्रोथ इम्पैक्ट। सॉरी, आई एम जस्ट म्यूटिंग प्रमिला, आई थिंक आपकी तरफ से कुछ ओके। सो ये पॉसिबिलिटी है, ये फियर है, ये सच्चाई नहीं है, राइट? ये हुआ नहीं है अभी, पर हो सकता है कि फ्यूचर में ऐसा कुछ हो जाए। लॉट ऑफ देम आर टॉकिंग अबाउट whether I'll be able to travel, whether I'll have fear. I am removing mute. Sorry, Sunita, I'm muting you because I can hear some noise. Okay, so freedom खत्म हो जाएगा, आगे लाइफ में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और है। फियर ऑफ टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, फियर ऑफ फीलिंग stuck, fear of feeling there is no freedom. Lot of us might have that kind of fear. Lot of women, because specifically they feel कि बहुत सारी responsibilities हैं, अपने लिए time नहीं मिल पाएगा. There could be all kinds of fears coming to you. Fear of losing dear ones, fear of losing family members, fear of health, sickness. बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारी चीजों को लेके fears होता है. However, identify, क्या ये सच्चाई हो चुकी है, क्या ये सच है, या ये आपका सोच है, क्या ये आपकी परसेप्शन है, क्या ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी है जो हो सकती है? Is that a possibility? आप चैट बॉक्स में लिखो if you think it's a fact or it is a possibility. चैट बॉक्स में लिखो फैक्ट, पॉसिबिलिटी, फैक्ट, पॉसिबिलिटी, जो भी आपको लग रहा है। क्या ये डर जो है, जो टॉप मोस्ट डर है आपका, इट्स अ फैक्ट? ओके, हैज इट हैपेंड दीपशिखा? क्या ये हो चुका है? जागृति सेज इट्स अ फैक्ट। ओके, नो, अगर नहीं हुआ तो ये फैक्ट नहीं है। फैक्ट का मतलब है कि ये लाइफ में हो चुका है और इसको बदला नहीं जा सकता। ओके, सुनीता सेज फैक्ट है। ओके, सो वो डर, क्या वो डर एक फैक्ट है? क्या वो डर आपकी सोच है? What is it? Yeah, so it can happen. So it is a possibility that it can happen, but it might not have happened to you. कुछ सिचुएशन में ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको फील हो रहा हो कि I have lost someone, या I have had some experience जहाँ हुआ है. Fair enough. There is a possibility कि कुछ एस्पेक्ट्स में आपको लग रहा हो कि ये मेरी लाइफ में इस तरह से मेरी सिचुएशन हुई थी, तो फ्यूचर में भी हो सकती है। बट जरूरी नहीं है कि आज की डेट में जो भी सिचुएशन है वो आगे भी जाके इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो इट विल बिकम एंड रिपीट इटसेल्फ. नॉट नेसेसरी. इफ यू शिफ्ट योर actions, choices, and your attitude, your future possibility will change. Remember, I told you about a statement yesterday. Your thoughts become your emotions, Your emotions become your reality, your action, and your actions become your reality. So if you shift your thoughts of that situation, there is a possibility that you will have a different kind of an emotion about that situation, and that will lead to a different action from your end, and that will lead to a different reality for you. There is a strong possibility of it. What जो आपके past की belief systems चले आ रहे हैं उसी को आप continue करें, तो there is not going to be any difference in your life. What has got you here? If you want to go further, you have to shift your life. You have to shift your attitude. You have to shift your mindset. And that is the only way. Remember, we talked about Kiran Bedi, Oprah Winfrey, Indra Nooyi, and other people. How were they able to move ahead? Because remember, I talked about the fact that whatever you put your minds on, whatever you focus on, that is what will manifest. अगर आपने फोकस किया उसको अपनी लाइफ में उसके ऊपर, that aspect of life is going to expand. So अगर आप अपनी past limiting beliefs पे focus करोगे, that is going to increase. If you focus on future and asking yourself, continue to ask yourself that, okay, I have the courage, I know what I want, I have the courage to move ahead, I have the courage to move ahead, and remind yourself of this, you will see a different possibility of your life coming up. So now with this thought that I'm giving to you, there might be a possibility of the fears that you're talking about. I want you to write down an equally opposite statement. So समझिए, जैसे कि किसी ने बोला, let me take up Sunita ji's case. सबसे पहले उन्होंने अपना fear share किया था. I think she's extremely courageous, and big hand to her for being courageous to write, first one to write her courage down. So Sunita ji, आपने लिखा था कि you fear that you are aging. So aging होने से क्या fear आ रहा है आपको? क्या होगा?
फील तो अच्छा ही आ रहा है. आई एम डूइंग व्हाट आई वांट. बट
Yes.
एज इट इज नॉट कॉमन अमंग वर्किंग लेडीज अप टू रिटायरमेंट, मोस्टली
हाँ, तो डर क्या है? एजिंग होने से क्या होगा? एज हो जाने से क्या होगा? क्या फियर क्या है?
more confident, more graceful, nothing negative with aging. But in society, as it is not common, so if you go for interview with gray hair for next promotion, then you may be in trouble. Your boss may not like this.
So you want to...
It is a practical, it's not fear, it's just a simple thought. It is there in my mind.
Okay.
I can look my image through mirror. How do I look with gray hair? But you are in habit of, you want to from other people, yes, it is okay, your decision is not bad. But people say, or not people, just friends or family members ask me to color the hair.
Taking you through.
Yeah.
Accept the process of life.
Yeah.
However, you feel that log kya kahenge.
I don't want to listen them. But it is there. Just sharing now, it is not worry. It's sharing this, it happens. When you do this, it will happen.
It's happened. I understand that completely. I can relate to it because I have gray hair and I have chosen not to color my hair. So I can completely relate to what your feeling is, but let me tell you, I admire you for showcasing so much of courage, because log kya kahenge mein bahut logon ne bahut kuch kar dala hai life mein. So trust me, when you're talking about your fears of what people will say in terms of my body image, your body image, ये जो बाल हैं आपके, इनको काला कर लो तो मैं यंग दिखूंगी, बॉडी इमेज की बात कर रहे हैं. This is your experience of your life. This is your beautiful person, that the grace that you're showcasing, your experience that you're showcasing. So I want you to know this, that the fear that you might have of log kya kahenge, log mujhe kaise perceive karenge, stop thinking of it and think of
It doesn't
what
matter.
do you want? What do you want? So going forward, think of it from a point of view that अगर आपके कोई इंस्पिरेशन है, इंदिरा गांधी, इंदिरा नूई, जो भी है, किरण बेदी, जो भी आपकी इंस्पिरेशन है, you know, those people who have made it different in their lives, any guru of yours, anybody whom you consider like the idol in that sense, अगर वो आपको एडवाइस देते तो वो क्या कहते? God would have come to you and asked you, if nobody else, God would have come to you and asked you that what do you want? What is the advice do you think God would have given to you?
उसने मैडम अपनी जिंदगी से जीना है, अपने हिसाब से जीना है, अपने रंग में अपने ढंग में रहना है, और भी बड़ी सारी चीजें प्रूव करने के लिए.
Amazing, amazing. I love your beautiful smile. I love the attitude that you carry and that openness and grace to change yourself, to improve yourself. And thank you so much, Sunita ji, for sharing this. This is the first person that we addressed. She was the first person in the group to share her fears. And it takes a lot of courage, by the way, to express your fears in public. So I love that from you. Thank you, Sunita ji.
I like you very much.
A big hand to her. A big hand to her. Thank you. So this is one activity I'm talking to you about. That जब आपको fears हैं, आपके equally opposite statement क्या है? अगर आपको clear है कि आप क्या चाह रहे हो and what you are wanting to do in life, आपके beliefs आपके बीच में आ रहे हैं, आपके लोग क्या कहेंगे बीच में आ रहा है, I would want you to write down an equally opposite powerful statement. So do this exercise, and I'm going to take you through this entire process with everybody. All of you, please do this. जो भी आपकी idol है, inspiration है, anybody, any guru that you listen to, अगर आपको कोई समझ नहीं आ रहा, आप सोचो मैं अपनी best friend हूँ, भगवान मेरा best friend है, what would they come and tell you when it comes to that fear, specifically that fear? One fear, we'll do one exercise for the right now for one person, one fear right now, because of limited time that we have. But one fear, topmost fear, please pick up that one situation, one statement that you have, that you've written down, fear of failure, fear of freedom, whatever it is, please write that down. Concern about career growth, concern about whatever it is, please write that down. Write down, अगर आपके idols आते उस situation में और आपको advice देते, what advice would those people have given to you? Those people who made it differently in their lives, whether it is Indira Nooyi, Kiran Bedi, anybody else that you've admired, who you talked about yesterday, or any other person that you can think of, your mother or your own self, or nobody else. If you can think of God. Think of God, that inspiration of your life, where you derive inspiration from. Write down what advice would they give you against that fear. Please write it down. Take 2 minutes and we'll discuss it.
वॉल्यूम हाई था और बहुत कम आ रही है, इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि आपका जो डिवाइस का है ना वो यूज कर रहे हैं, फोन का कोई सिस्टम यूज कर रहे हैं, ईयरफोन नहीं है आपके पास? वो तो फिर पहले तो ठीक ही कर रहे हैं,
Love that, so Raja Lakshmi. Thank you, Poonam, for sharing it with everybody. Please write it down.
आपकी तो वॉइस फुल है, इसका माइक दूर है, उनका माइक दूर है।
Once you're done, please give a thumbs up or write done in the chat box. Super. We'll wait for other people to also respond. Done? Thumbs up if you're done. Super, super. Love that. Love that. Thank you. Thank you so much. So once you've done this, I want you to understand that what are those fears that you're holding on to are only possibilities of it to happen or not happen. Yeah. So know this, that if you have fear and you write this down as an advice that might be, you draw an inspiration from those kind of people, tap into the energy. And now what I want you to do is do a short meditation that I'm going to take you through. With this fear in mind and the advice that you've written to, we will connect to the inspiration that you have connected to and seek further understanding. So what I want you to do is simply just follow my instructions. Keep your eyes closed, your back straight and hands on your lap. Simply just relax. And I'm going to take you through a short meditative exercise. Stay there and be in a relaxed pose till I bring up some music. Be there in a relaxed way, sitting on your table or chair or sofa, wherever you are, in a relaxed space. Focus on your breath. And as I say, inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Put your hands down and just be relaxed. अब अपने हाथ नीचे करें और सिंपल बैक को स्ट्रेट करके शोल्डर्स को लाइट करके सीधे बैठ जाएं. Beautiful, lovely, thank you. Love that. Go ahead and focus on your heart. Focus on your heart. Yes, that's it. Yes. आपके हेड के ऊपर वाले एरिया को क्राउन कहते हैं. You can focus on this place now, top of your head, and remember your inspiration. Think of that person, that guru or God or your own self, जिससे भी, wherever you get inspiration from. Connect with that person. Focus on top of your head and connect to your inspiration, that universe, your guide, your guru, your friend, any person, your inspiration, anybody whom you admire, somebody whom you respect and admire for their achievements in life, for their character in life. Think of somebody like that, whom you admire for their qualities, and focus on top of your head. Focus on top of your head and remember them. Take a few seconds to do that. And as you inhale, accept the blessings. And as you exhale, share the blessings with your family and friends. Inhale, accept. Exhale, share. Inhale, accept. Exhale, share. Inhale, accept. Exhale, share. Simply just listen to the music and connect to the divine. Connect to that divine energy that is helping you find a solution to your fear. Remove your fear and helps you make your life even more successful, happy, peaceful, fulfilled. Whatever you are seeking, money, relationships, fulfillment, better career, whatever your fear is in that space, that one top fear that you just wrote down, which is coming to your mind right now, one top fear, and give that fear to your inspiration. Tell them that I offer my weaknesses, my fears to you. I offer them now. I offer my weaknesses and my fears to you. I offer them now. I am willing to let go of this fear or worry and invite your inspiration. Are you ready to do that? Say yes. Say yes. Mentally say yes. I am ready. I am ready to create a new life. I am ready to invite new possibilities in my life. I am ready to have all that I want, all my goals being fulfilled. All my goals are being fulfilled. I am ready to let go. As you are connected to your top of your head, you are drawing inspiration from your guru, your teacher, your people whom you admire, your God, or any other friends or people that you look up to. Respect them for their character. You go ahead and think of them and tell them, I am ready to give up on my weaknesses and my fears that are stopping me from moving ahead in my life, from creating new possibilities in my life. I am ready to let go. I am ready to let go. As you let go, say yes. I am ready to let go. Say yes. Yes and yes and yes. And as you let go, be connected to the top of your head and let the inspiration flow from top of your head into your whole body. Each and every cell of your body is being filled with different level of energy, which is full of new possibilities. That beautiful inspiration is entering from the top of your head into your body. And it is flowing through whole of your body and inspiring you and filling you up with new possibilities. And as you do that, your heart is opening up. Your heart is opening up. Your heart is opening up. Focus on your heart. Focus on your heart. Focus on your heart and be ready to open up. To open up to new possibilities. Now, I would say take a few seconds and stay connected to your inspiration and listen to the voices. You might get inspiration in the form of words. You might get inspiration in the form of some ideas. You might get inspiration in the form of an advice which you get intuitively from your inner voice. Your internally you will hear an advice. So connect to your heart now and know this, that advice lies in your heart. That advice lies in your heart. आपके heart में वो सब solution है. And look for a few seconds of connection. Connect to your heart and जो भी आपका fear था उसके against आपको क्या advice मिल रही है. Focus on that. Focus on that advice. More specific. और क्या समझ आ रहा है, क्या डर था और अब क्या हो रहा है. Now, open up your eyes. Please come back. Open your eyes. And as you wrote down those statements, look at those statements and further add more perspective to that statement. जो भी आपके fears थे, उसके against जो आपने पहले लिखा था, उसके आगे और लिखिए. Connect to your advice again. Nirbhay Bhav. Okay, fair enough. जो भी आपने advice आपने पहले लिखी थी, please connect to that again. And as I talked about, I love that Suraj Lakshmi. No more fears. Please write that advice. Further, write it down. लिखिए. अब और क्या समझ आ रहा है ये. Please use this few seconds, few minutes to write it down, because right now you're connected to yourself, you're connected to your inspiration. और जो इस समय पे आपको शांति है, जो intuitive connection है, you are in your core connection, and you can use this time beautifully to change your life. So please do not get distracted. इस टाइम को यूटिलाइज करिए और 2-3 लाइंस, 4 लाइन जो भी समझ में आ रहा है, जो भी एडवाइस आपको इंट्यूटिवली समझ में आ रही थी, इवन दो आपके आसपास डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं, you still can connect to your internal self. Please write it down and use this time for that. सोचना क्या है, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. सुपर. Fear of failure diminished. Nirbhay Bhav. Now I do not have fears. The moment you are able to let your fears go and look at what did those people do differently, listen to the advice of those people who might be your gurus, who have a strong character, or that inspiration of God that you have internally inside you. If you connect to your own self, you will find the right advice coming to you. You will get that courage to move ahead in life. More focus, no fears. Amazing. Love that, everyone. Thank you. You all are such a beautiful community. I love it. Poonam, Jagriti, Anjana, Deepshikha, Sunita, Suraj Lakshmi. Lovely. Thank you so much. Anjana, lovely. Amazing. Love that. You know what? ये आपको fears बहुत बार, बहुत समय से past में लोगों की बातों से आते हैं. We as human beings इतने fearful नहीं होते. आपको एक बात बताती हूँ. When a child, I have a 1.5 year old daughter. when I look at her, I get so many things that I get inspired from her. She is not scared of anything, whether it is animals, चाहे वो अंधेरे में जाना हो, चाहे वो कुछ काम करना हो. Children, when they born, are fearless. हम जब as we keep aging, हम जैसे जैसे आगे अपनी लाइफ में बढ़ते हैं, the burdens of what people are telling us, we store it inside us. And they stop us from moving ahead. So what do we need to do? जब भी ये fear आए, मैं आपको एक tool दे रही हूँ, amazing tool दे रही हूँ आज. जब भी ये fear आए, चाहे वो लोग कुछ बोल रहे हो या आपका internal fear हो या कुछ भी हो, आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे आगे बढ़ना है पर मुझे डर लग रहा है. कोई भी fear हो जो stop कर रहा हो आपको आगे बढ़ने से, use this tool. Write down. I love that, Sunita ji. You opened your hair. I love that. Super. So I would say, please use this tool. Write down what your fear is. Connect to your divine. Connect to your inner self. Ask for advice, and you will get that advice. You can also, if you're not being able to connect, आप उसके against एक positive affirmation लिख सकते हो. So for example, I have fear of failure. I don't know, if I fail in my exam, I might fail in my job, whatever it is. I'm just making it up. Right now, मान लो fear of failure to be able to drive. मैं drive नहीं कर पाऊंगी. मान लो मुझे ये fear है. I'm sure a lot of people drive here, but कईयों को हो सकता है. Fear of failure है कि मैं नहीं drive कर सकती. What if I write an equally opposite statement, which is strong? So I will write, I will be able to drive. I am strong enough to learn driving. ऐसा कुछ भी इस तरह का positive statement बना सकते हो आप. To counter the fears that you have. I made you do a short activity जब मैं आपको सिखा रही थी कि जब आपने अपने inspiration से connect किया, you said, I give up on my weakness and my fear. In that moment, be Sharnagat, be a person who is giving up on that particular fear. Be in a spot where you're willing to give up on the problems that you are thinking from your brain and then later connect to your heart. Let your heart take the decision and not just your brain. When your heart and mind are connected is when the right decision will come in. So connect to your divine and open up your heart to receive the right intuition. So I'm showcasing a process to you which works beautifully. It's a spiritual process. I know our session is not a spiritual session, but it works for any leader. It's part of leadership. A leader has to be spiritual. A leader has to be mindful. A leader cannot grow further in their lives. If I'm an individual leader also, I can't go further in my life if I don't connect to my inspiration, because that is where we draw our inspiration from. That is where it gives us the strength to move ahead in life. So have that inspiration, have that person.
जैसे कि अभी आपने स्पिरिचुअलिटी के लिए बोला, तो ये बड़ा मेजर रोल है. ऑफिशियली नहीं होती है चीजें, लेकिन रियल लाइफ में जस्ट लॉर्ड कृष्ण हैज गिवन गीता उपदेश इन कुरुक्षेत्र. That is not any religious type of book, no. It is just a manual of life. One should go through it. और जो लीडरशिप की क्वालिटी है वो सारी है वहां पर, विद एविडेंस है. ये जो हम लेक्चर अटेंड कर रहे हैं, भगवान भी ये सारी बातें बताते हैं. तो one should go through that.
Love that.
Leader, no? It should be mandatory.
Thank you so much for sharing. Yes, thank you. So let's move ahead now. It takes effort to change things. Sometimes आपको realize होगा कि okay, I want to do this further ahead. But कई बार क्या होता है कि we don't ask for help. We assume कि वो नहीं हो पाएगा. Now, today, with this tool that I'm talking to you about. Stop assuming that something cannot happen, because that possibility will only become a reality when you choose that possibility. ये आपके हाथ में है कि आप क्या चॉइस करना चाहते हैं. क्या आप पुराने थॉट्स को लेके आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं या आप एक नए थॉट को चांस देना चाहते हैं. Your thoughts become your emotions become your actions, and your actions become your reality. Whatever you focus on will expand. आप जिस चीज पे भी कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे उस चीज में आगे बढ़ोगे, चाहे वो अच्छी तरफ हो या बुरी तरफ हो. बट समटाइम्स वी अज्यूम कि हमने आस्क भी हमने पूछा ही नहीं. अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि हमें नहीं मिलेगा because of our past experiences. So I would request you to stop assuming and move ahead and ask for help. Whether it is in family matters कि आपको अपने husband या family members की support की जरूरत है, या whether at work you might want some support, ask for it, because when you ask you will be given, if not in this form, some other form. So trust me on that process and go ahead and ask for help. If you don't get help from any other person around you, connect to your divine, connect to your guru, connect to the inspiration that you follow in life, and you would get help. It works. Trust me, it works. Second thing I want to talk about is that sometimes, because हमें लगता है कि हम किसी से झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहते, हम किसी से आस्क नहीं करते और हम किसी को फीडबैक नहीं देते अगर उनका बिहेवियर या कोई सिचुएशन हमें अच्छी नहीं लग रही होती तो. So many a times we do not do difficult conversations. Difficult conversations क्या होता है? जहां हमें लग रहा होता है कि हमें या तो हम उस कॉन्वर्सेशन को करने में, मान लो हेल्प मांगनी है, मैं इमोशनल हो जाऊंगी, या मैंने किसी को फीडबैक देना है कि मुझे ये बात अच्छी नहीं लगी किसी की और मुझे बताना है उसको, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट दैट टू रिपीट, बार बार मेरी लाइफ में होए. हम 4 रीजंस होते हैं फेयर के. आई वांट टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट दैट. या तो मैं अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रही होती क्लियरली, तो हमें डर लगता है, तो हम कई बार एंगर का मुखौटा ओढ़ लेते हैं, या हम कई बार साइलेंट हो जाने का मुखौटा ओढ़ लेते हैं. कई बार हमें नहीं पता होता कि दूसरा पर्सन कैसे रिएक्ट करेगा, तो हम इसलिए चुप रह जाते हैं या उसको अपनी राइट फीलिंग शो नहीं करते, या आपको लग रहा हो कि शायद आप इमोशनल हो जाओ एंड यू डोंट वांट टू शो योर vulnerable side, that side which is vulnerable, that side which is emotional to somebody. आप वीक नहीं दिखना चाहते इसीलिए आप बात नहीं करते, या कभी आई डोंट हैव अ ट्रेनिंग टू डू इट, मतलब एक्सपोजर नहीं है, आपको पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कि फियर्स किन 4 वजह से हो सकता है. आज आपको किसी चीज को लेके एक्सपोजर हुआ, हो सकता है those fears that we took you through today are completely gone. In case they repeat and come back, please repeat the process, because इतने सालों की धूल चढ़ी हुई एक बार में हो सकता है ना जाए. So you might have to repeat this process continuously. तो ये 4 रीजंस हो सकते हैं किसी को डर लगता है बात करने से. So ask these 4 questions. I want you to make a note of this slide. जब आपको लग रहा है कि आप डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं कर पा रहे, किसी से हेल्प नहीं मांग पा रहे, या किसी को फीडबैक नहीं दे पा रहे, किसी को बता नहीं पा रहे जो आप बताना चाहते हो, ये 4 क्वेश्चंस पूछिए अपने आप से. So what I want you to do is note down these questions and then we will discuss it. Take a few seconds and note down these questions. Okay, have you made a note of it? Please write done in the chat box so that I know. Please write done. जैसे ही हो जाता है, please write done in the chat box. Please write done in the chat box once you have written down these questions. Okay, super. Deepshikha says done. Chaitali says done. Poonam says done. Okay, what about rest? Please write done in the chat box so I know you're done. Sunita is done. Pramila, Vijayalakshmi, done. Okay. Akin also, Jagrati also done. So Rajalakshmi. Super, super. Okay, so now I want you to reflect on these questions and I'm giving you a super tool. जहां पे भी आपको फियर फील हो या आप हिचक रहे हो किसी से बात करने के लिए, imagine if you ask these 4-5 questions to yourself, it is going to give you a different perspective. मान लो आप किसी से हेल्प मांगने में घबरा रहे हो, या मान लो आप किसी को फीडबैक देने में घबरा रहे हो, या मान लो आप बात नहीं कर रहे हो किसी चीज को लेके क्योंकि डर रहे हो कि कहीं बात करी तो कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो जाए, whether personal situation or professional situation. मान लो you want support from your husband in the household work because आपका करियर में आपको शायद टाइम ज्यादा देना पड़ रहा है बैंक में, बैंकिंग के टाइमिंग्स आज की डेट में मार्च है, बहुत कुछ चल रहा है और बहुत कुछ चीजों में आपको सपोर्ट की जरूरत है. And you think that okay, your husband is also busy, for true, but you feel that okay, you still want some support to be able to take care of it. So ask this question that okay, what happens by not seeing it? हो सकता है कि आपको ज्यादा काम करना पड़े, आपकी फिजिकल हेल्थ पे इम्पैक्ट हो, आपका जो सिचुएशन है उसमें आप अपने काम पे अच्छे से ध्यान ना दे पा रहे हो, आपको शायद पूरी नींद ना हो रही हो. Will you be able to make a change? If you talk, हो सकता है कि सिचुएशन में सॉल्यूशन मिल जाए. हो सकता है कि जो आप लाइफ में चेंज करना चाह रहे हो कि मे बी 15 मिनट, आधा घंटा मुझे मिल जाए कि मैं प्राणायाम कर सकूं और योगा कर सकूं और समथिंग दैट you want to do, you will get that 30 minute to yourself. Will you be able to make a change अगर नहीं बोलते तो? Something like that. Then I'm just taking an example to explain this to you. Is the discussion important for the benefit of all? When you are healthy, would you not have a better relationship with your husband, children, and other people in the family? Of course. काम पे भी ज़्यादा productive होगे, and life healthy रहेगी. So is it for benefit of all? Yes. What is my role in this situation? Am I doing the right thing? क्या आप सही चीज कर रहे हो ना बात करके? इस सिचुएशन में मेरा क्या रोल है? क्या इससे मैं ये आइडेंटिफाई कर सकती हूँ कि क्या 30 मिनट्स में जो चेंज मुझे चाहिए वो ऐसा क्या काम है जो मैं स्पेसिफिक हेल्प मांग सकूं? मेरा रोल ये है कि मैं स्पेसिफिक चीज निकालूं और ये बताऊं कि मुझे ये वाला टास्क 30 मिनट्स का आई वांट टू लेट गो ऑफ इट सो दैट माय हस्बैंड कैन हैंडल और मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम मिल सके. मे बी यू आइडेंटिफाई, एग्जाम्पल ले रही हूँ कि अगर वो आधा घंटा जल्दी उठ सके और कुछ एक्स काम करा सके, जो भी काम हो सकता है, एग्जाम्पल. Next question, am I avoiding it because what I am assuming to happen subsequently might be problematic? You know, assumptions है again. You know आपके husband का short temper है, and then you feel अच्छा मैंने what if बात करी तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, लड़ाई हो जाएगी हमारी, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी एंग्री अबाउट समथिंग इन द फ्रॉम द पास्ट सिचुएशन एंड मुझे कभी सपोर्ट नहीं मिला. सो जब आपने ऐसा किया तो क्या हुआ, ये सारे फियर्स के साथ आपने उसमें एक प्रॉब्लमैटिक सिचुएशन बना दी. सो देन व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू हैव टू लुक फॉर कि आपका टोन ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन क्या है. क्या आप किसी को ब्लेम गेम करके बात कर रहे हो, या आप किसी को ये बता रहे हो कि मेरी हेल्थ पे इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, and if you can help me to get up early, I will be healthier, happier, and we will be able to spend more time together. आप ये सिचुएशन यूज कर रहे हो, ये मेथड यूज कर रहे हो कॉन्वर्सेशन करने का. See, because many a times, specifically in personal situations, होता क्या है कि we want to avoid conflicts, we want to avoid fighting, we want to avoid even in professional situations. हमें लगता है चलो कोई बात नहीं, you know, let's move ahead, and we don't even ask for help. Sometimes you might just get that help. ये सिर्फ आपका assumption है कि वो help नहीं मिलेगी. ये आपका सिर्फ assumption हो सकता है कि आपको freedom नहीं मिलेगा. I had that personal experience, an assumption too. I'm telling you from my personal experience, and I was actually able to break that. And I was surprised that I had a lot of freedom even after having more responsibilities in life. So it is just an assumption sometimes, because we can ask right questions और अपने आप को courageous दिखा सके और ऐसे tools and techniques को use कर सके, तो we can change our life responses also. So I will urge you कि whenever you are feeling fear, please use these tools in terms of drawing inspiration, in terms of cross countering your fear. इससे आप ज्यादा प्लान होके जाएंगे, और जब आप डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशंस करें तो आप कुछ टिप्स को ध्यान रख सकते हैं. कि मान लो जब आपने अपने हस्बैंड से कॉन्वर्सेशन करी, मे बी ही हैड अ पॉइंट टू से एंड आपने लिसन वेल किया, अच्छे से उनसे बात करी. व्हाट डज ही हैव टू से? यू आर, you know, with your heart you opened up and talked. As I said, positive before negative, rather than saying that, you know, you've not helped me ever in my life, or you've never supported whatever it is. You know, I'm just cooking up examples right now. What if we go ahead and say, okay, there have been good things that have happened, and now this is the health support I need, and keep it future oriented. We all want to create a great future. आज की डेट में इस कॉल पे ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं है जो अच्छा फ्यूचर नहीं चाहता. आज all of us want a great future. So why not create conversations which will help us create great future? Keep it positive, keep it simple, and if you receive a negative response, be prepared for it, but don't let it put you down. Don't think that, okay, now not possible. Now not possible, maybe you need to do another conversation to make it possible. So never give up, never give up. Now not possible, but it can be possible later. Okay, so Walt Disney एक ने बहुत interesting statement बोली थी, which is, I love this statement. It says, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. If to pursue your dreams, you need help, you need support, and you need to talk to people. If you need to make sure that there is some space that is created for you to be able to do what you want to do, you need to have courage to pursue them. And I am today sharing some skills, tips, tools with you, जो कि आप लेके जा सकते हैं और अपनी situations के लिए इनको use कर सकते हैं. Okay, so the third thing I'm going to talk about to you is commitment. But before I do that, I want to hear feedback from all of you. Do you have any questions on what I just shared with you? Shika, बोलिए, एक दिन बोलिए.
I just want to add one thing. Karuna, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, I just want to add that when we don't say, we have a hitch to present our point of view. We are just doing one thing. We are stopping the possibility that we can achieve something. अगर आपने किसी से कुछ नहीं बोला, you didn't share your thought, you are already a loser. You are in a lose situation. You do not have any possibility to gain something. But if you are going forward and taking a lead to discuss something, there might be a win-win situation. Otherwise, even if you don't win, you are already in the same situation when you have not discussed.
Yes.
So that is the point which I usually follow, and I always move forward to discuss, at least not to keep in my heart something. Because if I'm keeping within myself, and what I'm just doing, I'm already a loser, and I'm stopping the possibility to gain something out of it.
So Deepshika, let me ask you, if you want to feel more free, you want more freedom, what do you need to do?
Yeah.
What do you need to do?
I just want to live in the moment. I just want to live in the present moment and get maximum out of it.
Yes, get maximum out of it. And if what is stopping you from feeling free?
Because the future, the possibility that in future I may not, because just thinking about the future, what I feel, I'm hindering my present. So there's no point of thinking about the future that this may happen, my freedom would be lost. It's better if I'm having it today, just go ahead and enjoy the same.
Yes, ask this question to yourself, that what do you want at the end of the day? आज present moment में what do you want? Future में एक possibility हो सकती है, which is not necessarily going to happen. Today, I make myself.
It's not necessary. It may or may not be.
Even if that happens.
So today I have time. Today I have time. I have resources. So it's better to enjoy the moment which I have right now, rather than thinking about it. What will happen in future?
Yeah. So you don't know what possibilities exist in future. You're just imagining it. You have a beautiful life ahead, and you have a beautiful present right now. So take this present of present.
Right. It is a present. This present is a present from God.
Take this present of present and go ahead and enjoy. Thank you so much, Deepshika. Eken, you wanted to say something? You're muted. Sorry.
Yeah. During the for making any difficult conversation, we have to wait for the right time. We should not start conversation in a haste.
Yes.
Otherwise, situation will be worsened further.
Perfect.
So we have to. Yes.
Love what you said, Eken, because ये जो मैंने questions दिए हैं आपको, they will help you reflect, help you be ready to have that discussion. कई बार हमें लगता है कि हम powerful questions नहीं पूछते. हमारी quality of life पता है कुछ चीजों पे डिपेंड करती है. क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ डिपेंड करती है हम कितने पावरफुल क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं अपने से, एंड हमारे जो रिलेशनशिप्स हैं उन पे हमारी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ डिपेंड करती है. So true, Eken, that you talked about that we should not jump into some conversation, but the questions are going to help you be ready for that difficult conversation. Thank you so much for sharing this. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, so the next C I'm going to talk to you about is commitment. Any transformation can only happen when you're committed to it. Today you say, okay, I want to do this, then you forget about it for 10 days, and you come back to it after 20 days. It's going to take as much longer. So how urgently you want it, how quickly you want to shift your life, it will depend on how committed you are. So even if you do, ये जो मैंने tips आपको दिए, you can continue to reflect on them. But unless you resolve to change, that commitment that is required will not translate into action. And this is the tip I'm giving to you today. Transformation will happen only when you reflect, you resolve to take a change, and you action on it. हमारा जो इनर वर्ल्ड हमारे अंदर चल रहा होता है और जो हमारा आउटर वर्ल्ड हमें दिख रहा होता है, इसके बीच में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक चीज का फर्क है, एक्शन का। हम दिमाग में कुछ भी सोचते रह सकते हैं, रिफ्लेक्शंस कर सकते हैं, हम सोच सकते हैं अरे जी मैं तो बहुत कुछ करूंगी, मैं तो कल से जिम ज्वाइन करना है वर्कआउट करने के लिए, 1 जन आ गया मैं तो ये करूंगी। क्यों ऐसा होता है कि हमारी रेजोल्यूशंस न्यू ईयर पे बनाई हुई सारी कैंसिल हो जाती हैं और हम नहीं फॉलो कर पाते? Would you agree with that? All because of this. Action. Action is missing. Action, and action is going to help you move ahead. So commitment is a beautiful quality that will help you build up on your action. So let's look at, I'll miss this statement. Let's move ahead and move to goals. So I want you to focus on your goals that you've identified. And जब भी आप goals बनाओ, तो ये smart goals बनाओ. Please make a note of this slide. You can take a screenshot or maybe take a note of the slide. I'll keep it up for a few minutes. Once you're done, please write done in the chat box. Okay, Deepshikha says done. Please write, rest of you also please write, and then we'll move ahead. Amila says done. Okay. Poonam also says done.
नहीं आज बस.
Okay, how about rest? Please write done once you're done. Okay, super. Let's move ahead. We have limited time. So I'm giving you this tool that जब भी आपको लग रहा हो कि मेरे को कमिटमेंट करनी है, आपके पास कोई गोल हो लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने का, whenever you have a goal, please write that goal down in a smart way. Smart here means specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely. जब आप अपने गोल्स को, जो अपनी लाइफ में व्हाट डू यू वांट, याद है जब हम बात कर रहे थे क्लैरिटी को लेके और करेज को लेके, व्हेन यू राइट इट डाउन लाइक दिस, आप अपने आप से क्वेश्चंस पूछोगे you will be building up commitment towards moving ahead. That this is a quality that you can develop by writing it down and following a plan. ये आपका प्लान बन जाएगा स्मार्ट गोल की तरह. फिर आप ये क्वेश्चंस पूछो. ये क्वेश्चन का भी आप प्रिंट आउट ले सकते हो, स्क्रीनशॉट, या यू कैन राइट इट डाउन. What is the outcome I'm looking for? What do I want and not want to do? What do I feel? What are the possible actions? Who are the top 3 people in my circle who can help me? What are the top 3 actions I can do every day to increase the possibility? And what are the top 3 skills I can learn to enhance the positive possibility? So मान लो आप चाह रहे हो कि अपने हेल्थ गोल पे मैं फोकस करूं. So what is the outcome I want? I want to be fitter. It will make me feel healthier, happier, and I'll live longer. What are the possible actions? I need to start measuring my weight. Maybe I have sugar issues, maybe I have diabetes, maybe I have BP problems, or maybe I don't have any of these problems. But possible actions kya hai? I need to start eating healthy, I need to work out, I need to drink better, I need to drink water, maybe have more fruits. जो भी आपका प्लान निकल के आता है उसमें आप 5-6 पॉइंट्स लिखेंगे. What are the top 3 people in my circle who can help me? क्या आपके कोई फ्रेंड्स हैं या फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं जो आपको इसमें हेल्प कर सकते हो, चाहे वो आपकी डाइट को लेके या एक्सरसाइज को लेके आपको एडवाइस देने को लेके हो, या फिर आपको अपने एक्शंस को सपोर्ट करने को लेके हो. आइडेंटिफाई टॉप 3 पीपल. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस, टू मेक श्योर कि आप कमिटमेंट बिल्ड कर रहे हो. इस प्लान को बनाने से यू विल बी कमिटेड एंड आप कंसिस्टेंटली परसिस्टेंटली इसके ऊपर एक्शन करेंगे. आई एम गिविंग यू अ टूल टुडे कि आप जब भी प्लान बनाओ और वो सक्सेसफुल हो, ये टिप है. ये कमिटमेंट प्रोसेस विल हेल्प यू डू दैट. व्हाट आर द टॉप 3 एक्शंस यू कैन डू एवरी डे टू इंक्रीज द पॉसिबिलिटी? वो 3 एक्शंस को आइडेंटिफाई करो. और वो स्किल्स क्या हैं? सो हो सकता है कि एक्शंस हैं कि ओके आई नीड टू गेट अप अर्ली टू गो आउट एंड डू अ वॉक फॉर 30 मिनट्स. ओके, इससे आगे क्या चाहिए मुझे? 3 एक्शंस और हैं कि ओके मेरे को रोज पानी ज्यादा पीना है. कुछ भी ऐसा 2-3 स्किल्स एक्शंस हो सकते हैं. उसके लिए मुझे 3 स्किल्स की क्या जरूरत है? मैं थोड़ा अपना टाइम मैनेजमेंट बेटर करूं. 3 स्किल्स में ये हो सकता है. ये हो सकता है कि मुझे रिलेशनशिप्स में अपने डिस्कस करना पड़े, डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशंस करनी पड़े, सो दैट मेरे को 30 मिनट्स मिल सके. कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? सो यू बिल्ट अप ऑन द टॉप 3 स्किल्स. इसका भी आप नोट बनाइए कि वो क्या गोल्स हैं, वो 3 एक्शंस क्या हैं आपके, क्या टाइमलाइंस में करेंगे और क्या मेजर ऑफ सक्सेस है. Please make a note of this. Okay, I'll move ahead. This is very simple. Talked about SMART. I'll miss on the video right now because we don't have time. Now, when it comes to commitment, अगर आप फ्रूट्स को चेंज करना चाहते हो तो आपको नया बीज बोना पड़ेगा, आपको रूट्स को चेंज करना पड़ेगा. आप वो गोल या जो भी आप करना चाहते हो अपनी लाइफ में वो क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे, उसको रूट कॉज को स्टडी करने की जरूरत होती है. एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू शिफ्ट योरसेल्फ. आपको विजिबल चीज को, विजिबल मान लो एग्जांपल ले रही हूँ, मेरी बॉडी शेप मुझे पसंद नहीं है. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई फील इफ आई गेट लाइटर maybe I'll feel better, healthier, happier, or whatever. Body shape को ठीक करने के लिए maybe let's say I have more weight on my body. What can I do to change my attitude towards it? क्या अगर लोग बोल रहे हैं कि मेरी बॉडी शेप ठीक नहीं है तो मैं दुखी हो रही हूँ, तो मुझे अपने एटीट्यूड को चेंज करने की जरूरत है, अपने से लव करने की जरूरत है. अगर वाकई में आपकी बॉडी में फैट ज्यादा है और आपको लग रहा है it is hampering your health, then you need to shift your attitude and discipline yourself more. Depends on what it is. So that's why I'm saying it's not necessary कि लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं तो उसके basis पे आप अपने आप को shift करेंगे. But what is there, visibly there, you look at it and identify that if let's say you say okay I'm happy with my body's shape, after realizing कि अगर लोग ना बोल रहे हो तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तो stop thinking about what people are saying. Think about what do you want. I always come back to this question and circle back. What do you want? and decide and action accordingly. Okay. So the next point we are going to talk about is connection. This is what I feel a lot of women miss on this. When I say connections, I mean to say networking with people. Yes, we build a lot of our support systems emotionally by talking to a lot of, our colleagues and family members, but we forget to professionally build a strong network which can help women rise up and make a better career for themselves. As a leader, it is very important to continue to network with people. You might say, okay, I have a child to take care of home, या फिर मेरे को बहुत issues हैं, घर पे खाना भी बनाना होता है वापस जाके. Yes, सबको होता है. But can you find time to do it at least with some set of people, if not more? Second thing, बहुत women, and ये हमारे careers में सबसे ज़्यादा hamper करती है चीज़. हमारी लाइफ में मेंटर या कोच नहीं होता जो कि हमें प्रोफेशनली गाइड करे. ऐसे इंसान को मेंटर या कोच बनाइए जो उस लाइफ की सिचुएशंस को डील कर चुके हों, एंड यू रिस्पेक्ट देम फॉर द सक्सेस दैट देव हैड. हर एक किसी को आप कोच मत बनाइए. इवन सॉरी टू से, बट कई बार हमारे फैमिली मेंबर सबसे ज्यादा हमें पुट डाउन कर रहे होते हैं. So don't think that, okay, I love somebody so I can make that person my coach and mentor. No. Make a person who will push you to come out of your comfort zone. Make a person your coach. अगर उसने अपनी लाइफ में कुछ सक्सेसेस लिए हैं उस लाइफ की कैटेगरी में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं एक बहुत ही सीनियर लीडर का इंटरव्यू कर रही थी. उस पर्सन की लाइफ में 14 कोचेस थे एट मल्टीपल फेजेस ऑफ द लाइफ. जब वो बिजनेस सेट कर रहे थे तो उनका एक अलग मेंटर था. जब वो उसके पहले जॉब्स करते थे तो उनके एक अलग कोच थे. जब वो फिजिकल फिटनेस में काम कर रहे थे तो उनके अलग कोच थे. स्पिरिचुअलिटी के लिए अलग कोच थे. हेल्थ के लिए अलग कोच थे. He had 14 coaches in his life, and he is a super successful person, an entrepreneur who lives in Australia and has been financially independent for many years now. ठीक है, आपके वो goals ना हो सकता है, but what I want to say is a mentor and a coach is going to push you out of your limits and help you move ahead in life. Get a coach or a mentor, and that's what connections I'm talking about right now. Professional connections, health related आपको coach चाहिए. आपको अपनी life की relationships के लिए हो सकता है coach की जरूरत हो. It doesn't mean that some whom you love you would want to make your coach. Fair enough, if you respect them for the success they've had in your life, in their lives, go ahead and do that. But I would say it makes a lot of sense to get somebody whom you can respect for the success that they have. Okay, I'll miss on this activity. The fifth point we're going to talk about is communication. This is a skill which is all about active listening. Women might be active listeners and they are born leaders. Women have for centuries been recognized as talented listeners, nurturers, motivators, excellent communicators. These very qualities that we once were told were unbusinesslike are precisely the qualities that business needs most to tap human potential. Do you know what is this talking about? This is a beautiful quote by Mary Cunningham Agee, who talks, she's an UK-based businesswoman. She talks about this. हम लोग as women, आपको पता है आप कितना अच्छा negotiation कर लेते हो. You are also very good with interacting. Customer service बहुत अच्छा होता है आपका. You smile through all these challenges you might have had in your life. However, ये in the past समझा जाता था कि ये negative qualities हैं. But know this, that now is the face of feminine power. And all of these qualities are looked at as the top leadership qualities in a business. So tap on these qualities of your own self as a woman and build up on your communication skills. So I would say, look at building active listening skills and active expression skills. When you're talking to someone, showcase and demonstrate concerns. Don't think that you want to be like a masculine leader in a company. No, you can be a female leader and a very strong leader. you will have your own style of communication, but build a style which demonstrates concern. Ask questions to make people feel that you're listening to them, and give them brief affirmations. Like when you're talking to them, say to them, oh yes, oh yeah, I see, whatever words you want to use. Just give them that acceptance that you are listening to them. But before you do all of these things, what is important is to communicate internally. अगर आपने अपने आप से communication अच्छी कर ली, you will be able to communicate outwardly with more clarity. So the way in is the way out. The beautiful quote by Thich Nhat Hanh, which I feel is a very beautiful spiritual teacher, but it's such a beautiful quote on art of communication. If you want to communicate, if you outwardly well, be clear of what you want to communicate internally. Again, it comes back to the question of what do you want? Why do you want that? And the sixth step I'm going to talk about is confidence. Women need to shift from thinking, I'm not ready to that, to thinking, I want to do that and I learn by doing it. Remember, जब मैं बात कर रही थी आपसे courage के बारे में, तो मैंने एक initially आपको statement दिखाई थी कि inner narrative को positive कैसे shift कर सकते हैं, where I talked about that, okay, stop thinking negative and limiting, but think of, okay, even if I don't know right now, I will go and get it. I will go and get it. And it's okay that you might have fear of failure, you might fail, but just get up and keep moving. Because you know this, that Einstein failed 99 times, but he knew that the 100th time when he came up with the innovation, it was a success. So no innovation in creativity without failure. So accept the fear, but do it anyways. Whatever you want to do it anyways. That's what confidence is all about. That's what knowing that you believe in yourself and build confidence by knowing this, that अगर आप अपना goals लिखेंगे, अगर आप अपने बारे में एक छोटे छोटे milestones पे अपने आप को celebrate करेंगे. We forget as women sometimes to celebrate our own selves. When you will celebrate your own self with small milestone achievements. Today you said, okay, आज से मैं मीठा नहीं खाऊंगी या कम खाऊंगी, जो भी आपने मान लो गोल रखा. And in 6 months, I'm going to be off white sugar. You know, white sugar is not good health-wise. And 3 days you did it. 4th day you had sugar again. And 5th day you were back to not taking it. Pat yourself. Clap yourself. Pat your back. कई बार हमारे पास अपने आप को ही नहीं हम identify करते. So go ahead and please go ahead and love yourself and express that I am remarkable. Let me ask you a question. I know I'm going 5 minutes ahead time, but please allow me 2 more minutes. Let me ask you a question and write in the chat box. आप रोज में या in the last 1 week आपने अपने आप को कितनी बार appreciate किया? Please write it in the chat box. कितनी बार पिछले 1 हफ्ते में आप अपने आप को appreciate किया? Please write in the chat box. पिछले 1 हफ्ते में आपने अपने आप को कितनी बार appreciate किया? Anjana says never. Deepshika says 2. Super. Okay. Akin says once. Poonam says I appreciate myself every day. Super. So Vijay Lakshmi says 2-3 times. So Poonam, when you appreciate yourself every day, how does it make you feel?
I feel good, on top of the world.
Yes. So do you feel confident about yourself? Do you feel confident about yourself? Yeah? Okay. So somebody said never. Anjana, you said never. Have you ever thought of appreciating yourself?
Yeah, actually, I always want to improve myself, and I more look on my shortcomings that I have to improve this, I have to improve that. I have done mistake here. I should have done it in better way. That's why I don't find time to appreciate.
तो आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि मैक्सिमम टाइम में आप रोज भी अप्रिशिएट करते हो. मैं कहती हूँ पूनम, आप अपने आप को दिन में एक बार अप्रिसिएशन, हाउ मच इज दैट इनफ? इवन इफ यू आर डूइंग वंस एवरी डे, आई वुड से पीपल हु डूइंग एक हफ्ते में सिर्फ 2-3 बार अप्रिशिएट किया, isn't that little for your own self internally? You're not saying it to everyone all the time, but mentally, internally, you can appreciate yourself. It will help you build your confidence. कुछ छोटे छोटे माइलस्टोन्स को सेलिब्रेट करो, छोटी छोटी चीजें. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि मान लो आपने किसी दिन कोई एक रेजोल्यूशन लिया था, उसमें किसी दिन नहीं कर पाए, इट्स फाइन, गो बैक टू इट, गो बैक एंड अगेन अप्रिशिएट योरसेल्फ कि ओके, नीडलेस टू से कि अच्छा मेरे घर पे डिनर था, मुझे तो खाना पड़ा, ये कोई बात नहीं. नेक्स्ट डे से आई वाज बैक ऑन माय रेजीम, ऑन माय हेल्थ एक्सरसाइजेस. अप्रिशिएट योरसेल्फ फॉर दैट. कि पहले तो आई यूज्ड टू just go off for 3-4 days, 5 days, 1 week, 1 month. Now 1 day I'm back. So whatever it is, I'm just giving you examples. For no reason, just celebrate yourself. The beautiful care that you do to your kids, जिस तरह से आप अपने family members का ख्याल रखते हो, you should be celebrated every day. Every day. That is why I say Women's Day is not specific 8th of March every year. Every day. You take care of your family. You take care of your office. You take care of your kids. कितनी बार होता है ऐसा कि आप अपने colleagues के लिए कभी खाना बना के लाते हो? कितनी बार होता है ऐसा कि even if you are unwell, you are still cooking for your kids? कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि when you are still tired and your head is aching, still you get something for your family members? You call up your friend and talk to your friend, and you might give up on going out and exercising. Why? Because you care for your friend, because she was in some problem. Appreciate yourself and celebrate it, because you are a born leader. You are a born leader. Some leaders are born women. I want to remind you of that. So you are a born leader, and you need that appreciation. All these qualities of 6C of leadership that we are talking about exist in you. It is just that you are not aware of it. It is just that you are not tapping into it. So please, from today itself, build on your self-confidence. I had a video to show you, but I'm missing on time, so we'll miss it. But I'm just giving you the crux of the video right now, which talks about that build up on your confidence by celebrating yourself, by building up a positive self-image. Every day, talk about some affirmations to yourself. Talk about that I love myself, I love my body. I'm sure many of us crave कि कोई मुझे आके hug करे, कोई मुझे आके express करे अपनी appreciation. Today, know this, that you are your best friend, and that inspiration sitting there is there to help you. Even if nobody comes and hugs you, please go ahead and remind yourself that you are a born leader. With that, thank you so much.
Thank you, Karna.
Thank you.
Thank you for the wonderful program.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Know this, that you are
Very nice program and very inspiring and rejuvenating. Rejuvenating
If you have
program.
any questions, please feel free to ask. For once, please stop your videos, because I want to take a screenshot of those smiling pictures that we spoke about. For one, set up your videos and please let me see those smiling, beautiful leaders. Chetali, I can't see you. Vijayalakshmi, I can't see you. Jagriti, I can't see you. For the last minute. So I can take the smiling pictures of these beautiful leaders that you are. You are a born leader. Know this. If nobody is appreciating you, go ahead and appreciate yourself. Celebrate yourself. And also notice that you have all the qualities of 6C of leadership that we talked about. It is just that you're not there and you're not tapping into it. Today, take a pledge that I am going to be living up to my potential that I'm born for. So please have lovely smiles on. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And we would love to have your feedback. Thank you.
Thank you for conducting such a rejuvenating program.
Any feedback, any questions?
Thank
I'm
you.
here to take those questions. I know I've gone up by 10 minutes. I know you have to leave for home. So please feel free to ask questions if you want to hang on. I can be here for another few minutes. Thank you so much for a lovely session. Please ask questions if you have any. Give me your feedback or anything else, any questions. I'm happy to take that.
It's a very nice program, very rejuvenating, because we all of us were down, in our hearts and in our minds. But now we have really gained confidence. So really, thank you. Thank you for conducting this.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
Yeah, very.
So much. Anybody else have anything to say?
Thank you. Thank you very much for the very wonderful interactive program. It was a real eye-opener for all of us, how we have not been taking care of us.
Yeah, I can imagine. But now, today onwards, take a pledge that you will celebrate yourself. Take a pledge that you are a born leader and you will live your life to full potential. Whatever has happened was from the past. Now I have a possibility of creating a new future. New possibilities exist in the coming times. Thank you. Pramila, you want to say something? Jagriti?
Thank you, Karna. एक ही शहर के होने के लिए आपने कहा ना कि लखनऊ से मेरा पुराना नाता है, तो वाकई ये सेशन अच्छा था। देखो मैं जिस स्टेज पे हूँ ये सारी बातें हमें मालूम है, लेकिन क्या होता है ना, जब एक बार कोई रिमाइंड कराता है, सब हनुमान है, एक बार बताना पड़ता है, अरे ये पावर्स है, यूज करो। So thanks for brush up. You are so sweet.
Thank you. Thank you. Love that. Yeah. Chetali, Anjana, Jagriti, anything you want to say? Sunita ji?
Madam, thank you very much. It's very effective and help session. Thank you very much.
Love that. Thank
I
you.
want to say, ma'am, if you can share some materials with us.
Sure. Some tools, etc. that I shared, I will send you that. I'll send it to your coordinator, and of course you can take it from there.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Kenji?
Yeah, the video which you could not show, the last video about the confidence.
I'll send you the link. Yeah.
Yes, you can post it to the group.
Sunita ji,
So that
we
we can watch it. Yeah.
Yes.
We'll,
पूनम, सुनीता, कहना चाहते हैं? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Poonam ji as well. Thank you, Vijay Lakshmi. Thank you, Deepshika. Fine. So we're going to end this session. Thank you, everyone, for your full time.
thank you, and wish you for your next program.
Lovely. We will
Assignment.
announce that soon.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.